How to fix a furnace that won't turn on. Imagine coming home on a cold day and finding your furnace silent. No warm air, no hum of the blower, just silence. It can be frustrating, but many furnace issues are simple to fix with a few basic checks. Let's walk through some steps to get your heating back on track. First, check your thermostat. Make sure it is set to heat mode and the temperature is higher than the current room temperature. Sometimes the thermostat gets bumped or turned off accidentally. If it uses batteries, replace them with fresh ones. If it's hardwired, look for loose or disconnected wires and secure them tightly. Next, look for the furnace's power switch. It often resembles a light switch near the unit. Confirm it is turned on. Then, head to your circuit breaker panel. Find the breaker labeled for your furnace or HVAC system. If it's tripped, switch it off and then back on. If it trips again, that indicates an electrical problem that needs a professional to inspect. Check the air filter. A dirty or clogged filter can block airflow and prevent the furnace from starting. Remove the filter and see if it's covered in dust or debris. If it looks dirty, replace it with a new filter. Filters come in different sizes, usually 16 by 20 inches or 20 by 25 inches, and cost around $5 to $20. Changing the filter every 1 to 3 months keeps your system running smoothly. Make sure all air vents and registers are open and unobstructed. Closed or blocked vents can cause the furnace to overheat and shut down as a safety measure. Clear any furniture or curtains blocking airflow. If your furnace has a pilot light, check if it's lit. Older models relying on a small flame to ignite the gas. If it's out, follow the manufacturer's instructions to relight it safely. For furnaces with electronic ignition, the igniter might need cleaning or replacing. You can gently clean it with compressed air, but avoid touching it directly. If the igniter is cracked or damaged, a professional repair is best. Inspect the furnace's access panels. Some models won't operate if panels aren't secured properly. Make sure all panels are in place and fastened tightly. Also, look for blown fuses on the circuit board inside the furnace. If you find a blown fuse, replace it with one of the same amperage. If none of these steps work, it's time to call a qualified HVAC technician. Furnaces involve gas, electricity, and complex parts that requiring professional diagnosis and repair. Trying to fix gas lines or electrical components without proper training can be dangerous. Fixing a furnace that won't turn on is often about simple checks first. By systematically going through controls, safety features, and basic electrical connections, you can often identify the problem yourself. This approach helps you understand your heating system better and saves money on unnecessary repairs. Remember, safety always comes first, so don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed.